Now, wasn't that pretty cool? You learned how to remove a smoke alarm. You learned how to fish a wire into there and how to run a power wire from there to a new ceiling fan location. So you don't have to install a light wall switch, because you're gonna get a ceiling fan with the remote control, handheld remote control. So you don't need power over here. And you did it yourself. You found your metal pancake box. You figured out where the joist was. You figured out how to measure over, like I showed you. If you need to, you can watch that again and see how I came up with finding that without a stud finder or anything. Okay, and then you saw how I mounted that up there, right? And I wanted pretty much the center of this bed, okay? See where the center of the bed is? I'm gonna go straight up. Boom, that's pretty close to the center. That's pretty close to the center where those joists are. Now see, if that joist was way over here, a foot over this way and a foot over that way, I would have had to decide, is it okay if I put the ceiling fan over here? Am I going to be okay living with that because it's not kind of centered in the room? Am I okay with it over there? If not, I could still have made the hole there and go up there, measure for a 2x6, flat 2x6, flat 2x4, whatever, put it across there and nail it in, drill it in, put some screws in it, whatever you got to do. And then you could mount your same pancake box to that. You could drill a hole up through the block for your wire and all that kind of stuff, and you could have done it that way if this doesn't happen to line up. This one happened to line up almost perfectly. And because the joist was going, the truss was going this way, I could pinpoint that exactly where I wanted it, because I wanted it at the end of the bed. And here's the end of the bed, right about there. Okay, and here's the ceiling fan, right about the end of the bed. See, that's where I wanted it. And if the joist would have been going the other way, could I have moved it over this way if the joist was there, if the joist was over here? Yeah, within reason. And if I didn't like it, then I could put the block that way and do the same thing if you were doing the block this way. Do you see what I mean? And you can put in the same type of pancake box. Just make sure it's a type of metal pancake box that's approved for a ceiling fan. When you go to the electrical store, ask a salesman. They might not be exactly where all the electrical stuff is. It might be over by the ceiling fans in the store. He may have to take you over there. He may have to show you what he has, and then you'll have to make a decision what you want to purchase, because whatever you do for a ceiling fan, you want to make sure you get the right junction box, right type of box to hold the weight of the ceiling fan. Some of these ceiling fans are not necessarily the lightest in the world, and they're way heavier than most light fixtures. That's why if you had a light fixture up there and it was in a plastic box, kind of like a plastic box like that, but a round box, I would not suggest installing a ceiling fan to one of those plastic boxes. Yeah, it might hold up there for a while, but you got to figure the mounting screws are screwed up into a plastic threaded plastic box. Eventually those screws could rip out of there with the weight, or it could make your box tilt a little bit from whatever side's not been nailed to your truss. You see what I mean? And maybe your ceiling fan, the housing is kind of at an angle to the ceiling because of the weight. And now maybe your ceiling fan's going to wobble, and I just would not recommend putting it on a plastic box. You'd have to go up there in the attic, take the box out, then figure out some other way to put your box. You know, a flat 2x4 across there, right where the ceiling is, and you can do it that way, and then put one of those put a metal pancake box on there, like that, okay? All right, so I will see you on phase 2 of this project when we get ready to install the actual ceiling fan. See you then. Can you believe that? I got 1 minute left on my SIM card of this whole thing. I thought I'd had plenty of time, but hey, if I can do it, you can do it. Remember that.